Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have du equals to, if we do first derivative of natural log in here, this one will go to denominator. Later that, this one continue do first derivative, and we have secant of s tan s plus secant of s square ds. Next, secant of s, we can do about factorization. So this one divided by this one. So this one we change for u. Secant of s ds we change for du. The integration of u, we have u square over 2, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.